Just got dropped off right here in the Uber for to get to the beach, which is across the thing over there. Now I gotta figure out how to get down these stairs. Oh, it's right there. Found it. How big this guy's freaking tripod is. Oh my gosh. I don't know which way I'm supposed to go, but it's so pretty right here though. Bruh. Oh, here's the beach. I'm not dressed for the beach, but damn. Damn. All the people. I'm so glad to be outside. It's so hard for me to will myself to come outside. Look at all them boats. I'm sorry. To will myself to come outside, even though that's all I ever want to be is outside. It's really crazy. Look, this is so, I miss this. I'm so glad it's warm. It's like my first day being here, or being outside while it's warm in Chicago this year. Okay, I think my group is over there somewhere. Ooh, we'll see. I should take my shoes off though. You like my socks? Well, you can't see them now.